welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing spicy beef roast. You all, this beef roast is very popular in my kitchen, so I hope you all will enjoy. So let's get started. So here my lovelies, the ingredients are 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons minced garlic, half teaspoon salt, quarter cup of sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sauce, 3 pounds chopped tender roast, and 2 tablespoons cracked black peppercorns. Preheat your oven to 350 for 15 minutes. Now in a small bowl I will combine all the sauce. Including mustard, combine, brush over roast, in a clean bowl, combine garlic, salt, and peppercorns. Combine well. Sprinkle evenly over roast. Now I will transfer over to the pan. So I will be using my roaster oven, guys, so let's go straight to the oven. So here we go, guys. So my lovelies, I will check back in the next 40 minutes. So here I am, my lovelies. I'm going to check in the beef. I can smell the pepper, I can smell everything, guys. It's coming on beautifully, guys. Spicy and delicious. This is going to be so mouth-watering, guys. Spicy and mouth-watering. You can have it ready to your doneness. I love it well done, guys. So I will keep checking, guys. So here, my lovelies, making another check, guys. It's coming on perfect. Perfect, guys, perfect. Just beautiful, guys. So my lovelies, I'm adding to the pan 4 potatoes and 2 carrots. This is going to be so delicious, guys. And the beef is coming to perfection. So let's continue to roast, guys. Beautiful. So here we are, guys, beautifully done. So please let me know what you think by leaving me your comment, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.